Let's unbox the Digitek Professional DV Tripod cum Monopod. Alright, then let's have a quick look at the box. In the box we can see the image of the tripod is being printed with this yellow combination, and down it says professional and sturdy for DV camera. Over this side we have the features mentioned such as pan head, leg lock system, handlebar for tilt lock, spreader and center column lock button, simple and practical flip lock and multi-function anti-skid pad. Alright, looking at the specification, the maximum load it can handle is 4 to 5 kgs and the maximum height is 6.39 feet. The folded height is 3.11 feet. The tube diameter is maximum 26 mm. The weight of the tripod with head is 1.8 kg. Lastly, there are 5 sections. So it's time to unbox and look at the tripod itself. So we get this nice tripod bag, and on this bag we can see Digitek Platinum printed. We get this strap attached to this bag so it's easy to carry around. And furthermore, the quality of this bag is really good. Okay, it's time to remove the tripod. Okay, the tripod is finally out and let's look at the paper stuff. This is the instruction manual and we can see everything is mentioned. And behind we have this operating instructions. Okay, let me keep this aside. Okay, looking at the tripod, it comes with a black theme and it is in fact heavy. And you can see the tripod stands firmly on the ground even though it's folded. We can easily expand this. At the bottom, we have this multifunction anti-skid pad on all the 3 legs. We have a proper holding handle here so you can carry this tripod. Let me remove this ball head section here. So the handlebar is attached to this unit and here we can see the pan head. This has a level measurement here and accordingly we can adjust. The quality of this pan head is good and we can see there is decent grip on the surface, and also it's again adjustable in different angles. On the main stand we can see another measurement level here. Now that we release this knob, this comes out in such a way that you can use it as a monopod, and here we have a print which says stop here. This monopod does have height adjustment. You can see we just have to move this knob and we can extend it as much as it goes, and we can see the maximum length the monopod can be extended. Now let's put this monopod back inside and I'm gonna attach this camera holder unit on this. Alright, so here we go. The quality of the flip lock is good and also it's really sturdy. Each leg has 4 flip lock, and if you want to use this tripod to the maximum height, you have to unlock all 4 of them in each leg and then extend it. Maximum height of this tripod is 6.3 feet. Yeah, it's taller than me. This ball head is really smooth. You can see how easily I can tilt in different angle and also you can rotate it as necessary. Now let's remove the monopod and place it horizontally. And this is the most important feature of this tripod. It is the capability of taking top-down shot. Even at this angle, we can see how easily we can tilt the camera. Very convenient to review products with this overhead shot. Now talking about the price, it's available for 2,799 rupees in Amazon and it varies as per the discount available now and then. So this tripod is recommended for beginners as well as more advanced hobbyists who are looking for a versatile and affordable tripod for photos and videos. I hope this video was informative. If you have any questions, please mention in the comment section below. As always, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thanks for watching. Peace.